guys, it's Tika and welcome back to the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new delicious video. So as promised, today I'm going to show you how to make this quick and simple and oh so delicious pumpkin pie. So let's go ahead and get started. For this pumpkin pie, you're going to need a little bit of salt, 1 egg and 3 egg yolks, some pumpkin puree, sweetened condensed milk, vanilla extract, pumpkin spice seasoning, and a little brown sugar, which I forgot to mention here. Now, personally, I like to use store-bought crust. I'm not even gonna lie. If you want to make your own homemade crust, by all means, I support your efforts, but around here, Pillsbury gets the job done just fine. So in a large bowl, I'm just gonna start by adding in all of my pumpkin puree. And then I'm gonna add in my sweetened condensed milk, and my vanilla extract is mixed in here too. I'm gonna give this a quick mix with my spatula. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add in all of my pumpkin pie spice and my salt. And I'm gonna give that another little good mix in. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add in that little bit of brown sugar. And lastly, I'm going to go ahead and add in my 1 full egg and my 3 egg yolks. And using a whisk, I'm just going to whisk all of this up together. And now I'm just going to take my store-bought pie crust, and I rolled it out to be about 10 inches around, and I'm just going to place this into my pie pan. And I'm just going to gently, press this into all the corners. Just want to make sure that it gets completely into the pan without tearing. And now I'm just going to take a fork and add a couple little holes in the bottom of my pie crust. And then I'm going to take a knife and cut off just a little bit of this extra crust around my edges. Now my pie pan already has this kind of specific design in it, but now I'm just taking my fingers and kind of going over the indents that's already in my pan to make it perfect and give it this really cute look around the edges. And now I'm just going to take that delicious pumpkin pie filling we just made, and I'm going to pour it right into the crust. And I'm just going to shake it and just kind of tap it around, make sure there are no more air bubbles in there. And then I'm going to take a little foil and just put it around my crust. This is a tip that I learned so you don't cook your crust faster than the actual pie itself. Then I'm going to place this into the oven at 425 for 15 minutes and then reduce the heat to 350 and let it bake the rest of the way for about 25 to 30 minutes. And that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this quick and simple recipe. Thank you for hanging out with me today, and I'll catch you in the next one.